This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Erna Friedel. Come and see this updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath gem of a home in the Yacht and Country Club of Stuart. It has a 2016 metal roof, 2019-2020 installed hurricane impact doors and windows, 2017 paver circular driveway, 2018 renovated kitchen and appliances, updated baths, a lovely outdoor pool and patio overlooking the very private green lawn with bordering flowers. The covered porch is newly screened and has cable TV outlets installed. A scan of the blueprint is available. YCC offers golf, tennis, bocce, a heated community pool, and an exercise gym, a beautiful clubhouse with dining and an active social calendar. These are available with a YCC membership. This house is turnkey ready. For more information, review the details below.